All right, let's talk about something that could totally change the way you study. We're going to break down how to stop studying hard and start studying smart. And we're using the amazing insights of Neelam Talreja, the founder of Mindseed Tutorials. She's got years of experience helping students just like you, and she's developed some really proven techniques to speed up learning. So, ready to see those marks go up? Let's get into it.
Does this feel a little too familiar? I mean, you're putting in the hours, you're sacrificing your free time, you're doing everything you're supposed to do, but when you get your results back, they just don't match the effort. It's got to be one of the most frustrating feelings ever, right?
But what if the answer isn't more hours, or more cramming, or, more coffee? What if the real secret is just a complete shift in your whole strategy? It's not about working harder, it's about making the time you do spend studying incredibly powerful and effective. The big question is, how do you do that?
So first things first, we have to bust a huge myth that so many of us believe, that success is all about the sheer volume of work we put in. We're going to tear that idea down and find out what really gets you those high scores.
This quote just nails it, doesn't it? 4 hours of really deep, focused work is worth so much more than 10 hours of being distracted and only kinda sorta studying. Quality always beats quantity. So with that in mind, let's jump into our first practical tip to make this happen.
Our first tip is a really powerful one, and it's all about adopting the lion's focus. Just think about how a lion hunts for a second. It doesn't run around all day long, it rests, it observes, but when it decides to go for it, it gives 100% of its energy and focus to that one single task. That is the exact mindset we need for studying.
So, how do we actually apply that focus? Well, the key is to ditch that super rigid hour-by-hour timetable. Come on, you know how it goes. The second you fall behind by just 15 minutes, the whole day's schedule feels ruined, and the stress just kicks in. Instead, try this. Create a daily target list. Your mission for the day isn't to study physics from 10 to 11. Your mission is to finish Chapter 3. This way is so much more flexible, it's goal-oriented, and honestly, it's way more motivating.
Okay, so our next challenge is the one that happens inside your own head. You sit down to study, you've got your target list all ready to go, and then your mind starts to wander. Thoughts about your friends, stuff that happened yesterday, worries about the future, they just pop up. This tip is all about taking back control. Here's the technique. It's pretty simple. Keep a notebook right next to you. Whenever a distracting thought pops into your head, don't fight it, just capture it. Write it down. Then take a look and categorize it. Is this something you can actually do something about? Like, if a friend hasn't replied, that's actionable. You can deal with it later. But worrying about how hard the exam will be, that's uncontrollable. And the last step is absolutely crucial. Look at those uncontrollable thoughts, physically cross them out on the page, and give yourself permission to just let them go. You're basically cleaning out all that mental clutter.
Now, this next tip is a real game changer, especially if you're someone who really struggles to build concentration. It's a fundamental shift in how you look at your entire day.
Look at the difference here. See, most of us see our day as a bunch of activities, eating, chilling out, talking to friends, and we try to squeeze studying in between all that stuff. We need to flip that script. During exam time, your default setting should be studying. Breaks for food, a quick game, or a short walk are the things you schedule into your study time. This simple mental switch tells your brain that studying is the main event, not just some interruption.
Okay, let's talk about an external threat to your focus, your friends, or to be more specific, certain types of friends who, without even meaning to, totally sabotage your mindset during exams.
I bet you know exactly who these two people are. First, you've got the friend who's always saying, "Oh, I haven't studied anything," which makes you feel like you can relax. But you know they're secretly studying all night. Then there's the opposite, the friend who claims they've finished the whole syllabus twice, which just sends you into a total panic. Both of these conversations are useless and just add stress you don't need.
So, what's the big takeaway here? During that really intense pre-exam period, you just have to minimize these kinds of chats. Your focus has to be on your own prep. Your textbook, your notes, your target list, those are your real companions. It's not about being a bad friend, it's about protecting your own mental space when it matters the most.
So, we've covered all the prep, but what about the big day itself? The day of the battle. All that hard, smart work can go right out the window if exam day anxiety takes over. This final tip is all about walking into that exam hall feeling calm, confident, and totally ready.
Here's your simple game plan. First off, whatever you do, do not pull an all-nighter. Your brain needs sleep to remember stuff, so please aim for at least 6 hours. Second, keep some perspective. This exam is important, for sure, but it is not your entire life. And third, if you feel that wave of panic starting to hit in the exam hall, use this amazing trick. Just close your eyes for 30 seconds and focus only on your breath going in and out. It's like a reset button for your entire nervous system.
So there you have it, your new plan for studying smart. It's all about having that lion's focus with your daily targets, taming those distracting thoughts, reversing your day to make studying the priority, ignoring the fake toppers, and finally, mastering your mindset on exam day.
Thanks so much for watching. If you're ready to put these strategies into action and you want some personalized guidance, definitely don't hesitate to reach out to Neelam Talreja at Mindseed Tutorials. It's time to stop studying hard and finally start getting the results you actually deserve.